drummer drumming. In the trumpet, someone's trying to summon someone. I know something's coming, but I'm running from it. To be standing at the summit and plummet. How come it wasn't what I thought it was it too good to be true? Have nothing, get it all, but too much of it, then lose it again. Did I swallow hallucinogens? Cause if not, where the hell did it go? Cause here I sit in Lucifer's den by the touch of it, just choosing to sin. Even if it means I'm selling my soul just to be the undisputed again. Do whatever I gotta do just to win. Cause I got this motherfucking cloud over my head, crown around it, thorns on it, cracks in it, but you morons didn't think I'd be back, did you? How about that I'm somehow now back to the underdog, but no matter how loud that I park, the sport is something I never bow out at. I complain about the game, I shout and I pout, it's a love-hate, but I found out that I can move a mountain of doubt, even when you bitches are counting me out, and I appear to be down for the count. Only time I ever been out and about is driving around town with my fucking whereabouts in a doubt, cause I've been lost trying to figure what I did to get here, but I'm not a quitter, gotta get up, give it all I gotta give up. Spit on shit on stepped on, but kept going, I'm trying to be headstrong, but it feels like I slept on my neck wrong, cause you're moving on to the next, but is the respect gone? Cause someone told me that
Kings never die.
don't give me that sob story lie. Don't preach to the choir. You ain't never even had a reason to fire to dig deep. Nobody ever handed me shit in life, not even a flyer. Wouldn't even take shit into consideration. Obliterate anyone in the way. I think I see why a lot of rappers get on these features and try to show out on a track with me, but it actually has to be a fucking blowout to get me to retire. Tell these new artists the kings never die. I know shit has changed in this age. Fuck a Twitter page, did it to say I've been upstage? Why am I online? It's driving me crazy. I'm riding shotgun, trying to get a gauge. I'm on top, but I'm not gonna conform. But it's stay passing this shit in opinion sway. I can hear him say, if I stay passionate, maybe I can stage a miraculous comeback as if I went away. But detractors just say
so much.
For the renegade, someone's gonna make me blow my composure. Here I go again, center stage, and I feel like I'm in a cage.
Like someone a champion of force. The wonder why I laugh at them, cause why can't we win them all?
So fuck what these cynics say.
It just goes to show that when my back's against the wall and I'm under attack again, and I'll act as if I'm posed up
with the spin and praise, cause
all these plaques in my office on the floor stacked against the door, are they just metaphors for the odds of me coming back again? Cause all the accomplishments, accolades, awards, and trophies just don't mean jack anymore. If I'm here today and gone tomorrow, and I'm not gonna be
Here to stay, even when I'm gone. When I close my eyes through the passage of time.
I want it, I'm coming to get it, so you son of a bitches don't duck, you're gonna get ridiculed. Critics don't end up in critical, think your shit is dope, or you're gonna get it smoked. And I ain't stopping till I'm on top again, all alone and on a throne, like a token of respect or a homage poem or an ode. I've been old, tossed in the air by my own arm and launched so hard it broke my collarbone.
and when it's my time to go, I'm still not leaving.
Stopping nowhere, I don't know, but I've been told the obstacle that blocks your road, knock it over, time to go for that pot of gold. Cause
They say kings never die, just as Jan as the J. They just grow wings and they fly, so hands up, reach for the sky. Try to hold up and promote these moments, cause in the blink of an eye, they'll be over.
trying to secure your legacy like Shakur and ensure nobody's ever gonna be what you were. So before you're leaving this earth, you want people to feel the fury of a pure evil, sir. Evil berserk, deacon the word, syllable genius at work. Plus I'm thinking the third, mistaking my kindness for weakness, killing with meanness. I went from powder milk and farina to flipping burgers on the grill for some peanuts and curious to arenas. Call me cured arenas, still appeal to the dreamers. I made it to the silver screen, but Rocky still with the themes. Khalil on the beat, cause making the beat ain't the same feeling to me as killing the beat is. So fulfilling to me is what filling the seat is. That sound, bombing, thirsting, how common, underground, down and deep, outside of stomach, ground, driving hunger, out, rhyming everyone. God, just give me one shot. Swear that I won't let you down. I'ma be around forever in the day, even in the ground. You ain't never ever gonna hear me say I ain't.
Here to stay, even when I'm gone. When I close my eyes through the passage of time. Kings never die. Kings never die.
I know you want me. I made it obvious that I want you to, so put it on me. Let's remove the space between me and you. Now rock your body. Oh, damn, I like the way that you 'cause I already know what you wanna do. Here's the situation, been to every nation. Nobody's ever made me feel the way that you do. You know my motivation, given my reputation. Please excuse me, I don't mean to be rude, but tonight I'm fucking you. If I had a type, then baby, it would be you. I know you're ready. If I never lied, then baby, you'll be the truth. Here's the situation, been to every nation. Nobody's ever made me feel the way that you do. You know my motivation, given my reputation. Please excuse me, I don't mean to be rude, but tonight I'm fucking you.
Everything that you need, everything that you want, I'm on 100, wanna stunt with you. From the window to the wall, gotta give you my all. Winter or the summertime, when I get you on the springs, I'ma make you fall. You got that body that made me wanna get up on the floor just to see you dance. And I love the way you shake that ass. Turn around and let me see them pants. You stuck with me, I'm stuck with you. Let's find something to do. Please excuse me, I don't mean to be rude,
but tonight I'm fucking you.
She go in the club acting like Rihanna. She blazing in the club, ganja marijuana. She shot a man down, black Latin farmer. She no runner, she's so calmer. Like Rihanna, 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 like Rihanna.
Say she a violin for you. The way she move and the way she do it. The girl she a whining over you. See all the man them I wanna do as she a go. Rolling a whining a so young. For the money man she don't give a damn. Rolling a whining a so young. For the money man she don't give a damn. She go down low. We are here. We are here. We are here. She go down low. We are here. We are here. We are here.
She go in the club acting like Rihanna. She blazing in the club, ganja marijuana. She shot a man down, black Latin farmer. She no runner, she's so calmer. Like Rihanna, 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 like Rihanna.
Is she a clap, 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 clap? Ooh, the way she drop, 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 drop. And she a clap, 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 clap. Oh, she a hot fire burn in the club. Ah, whining. Ah, you are whining hot. Ah, you are drop it bad. Ah, ah,
the club acting like Rihanna. She blazing in the club, ganja marijuana. She shot a man down, black Latin farmer. She no runner, she's a calmer. Like Rihanna, 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 like Rihanna.
Whining, you are whining hot. You are drop it bad. Whining, you are whining hot. You are drop it bad.
Like Rihanna.